Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make shampoo bars using hibiscus flowers and leaves. These shampoo bars are like your regular shampoo. They condition your hair, nourish your hair and also keep your hair healthy. But the main advantage of using shampoo bars is that you can include the goodness of hibiscus leaves or flowers, even aloe vera gel or even fenugreek seeds into the shampoo bars and use it. Other than that, they are very compact, easy to make and also cost effective. If you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. To use these flowers in a shampoo, you need to clean them first, remove the stalk and use only the petals. And also when you use the leaves, you have to clean them and use the leaves separately. So the method would be to grind the leaves and the flowers together and make a paste. While grinding, you can add little bit of coconut oil to help to get the smooth paste which is required. So this is the paste of hibiscus leaves and flowers which I have got, through which I am going to make the soap. To make shampoo bars, I am using a milk based soap. This is the soap base which I purchased online. This is easily available and it is cost effective. You can also buy aloe vera based soap or glycerin soap, and these all works good for shampoo bars. First I need to cut this into small pieces before I can melt. For melting, I am using a double boiler method, which is very important. I have a big pan with water in it. I am going to place this small pan in it and drop all the pieces of the soap so that I can melt. Melting takes at least 10 minutes in a low flame. Once its soap starts melting, you need to add the paste of hibiscus leaves and flowers. Here I am using hibiscus, but you can use even aloe vera gel paste or even like fenugreek seed powder or neem powder, whichever suits your hair. You can use. The procedure is the same. Here I'm adding few drops of fragrance oil or any essential oil so that it is an added benefit and it smells good also. After 10 minutes, I'm going to mold it. I'm using a soap mold. You can use even plastic molds, plastic cups or saucers so that you can put the melted soap into that, and after 2 hours your shampoo bars will be ready. So after 2 hours I'm going to unmold it, and this is how it looks. The goodness of the hibiscus leaves are into the shampoo bar which I'm going to use it. I'm going to use this after a day so that it hardens and it lathers well. So here if you see, the soap shampoo bar is ready, which it is in green color because of the hibiscus leaves which I've used more. And all you need to do is wet your hair and shampoo like how you do with regular shampoo. You have to work up lather. Use the soap directly on your hair, work up lather, and then you can wash off with the cold water. So you can use this regularly like how you use your shampoos, and this will last long. At least 2 shampoo bars will last for 2 months for me. This is cost effective, and the main advantage is that you can include the goodness of all these hair loving ingredients into your shampoo directly. So if you like it, please comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.